Hello you all, it's me, Maaike, showing you this 13 Days of Craftoween. So beware, I'm going to show you what's inside. So if you're going to buy it and you don't want to know what's inside, then stop watching. Otherwise, oh my gosh, stay tuned. I've bought it by myself, nothing sponsored. I wish Spellbinders was sponsoring me because I'm such a big fan. But I also like, I can buy my own stuff because I can buy whatever I just love. And yes, this Spellbinders 13 Days of Craftoween box is just my cup of tea. I love Halloween all year long. I'm just a big lover of these kind of things every day in my life. So I'm going to show you what's inside. It includes 13 dice, 1 clear stamp set and 1 pack of sequins. Here we go. So beware, I'm going to open. If you don't want to see, goodbye. Thank you for watching. See you the next time. But here we go. I already have opened it because, oh, but no, well, first of all, you are going to get it like this, closed of course, with this sticker. Gorgeous sticker, but yeah, it just shows the detailed attention they give to this package. And then this is inside. Oh, this little box, it's going to be on a neat place in my room. But this is what you're getting. And in the Netherlands, because I'm from the Netherlands, I have to pay this amount. Probably it's cheaper in America or, yeah, I don't know. But almost 70 euros. And it seems 70 euros seems a lot, but when you are thinking about it, it's almost 6 euro each. So I think that's okay. These are extra, I think, some sequins, blue, black, orange, gorgeous colors. There's a stamping set inside. Happy Halloween. I will show it you later. But this is just gorgeous. It's 13 days of those gorgeous cards. Well, I am super curious who can wait for it for 13 days because, well, I couldn't. I already saw a video she was unboxing, and I saw another one from the Netherlands. She is Angelique, Miss Rocks. She posted she has bought it in the Netherlands. I thought, okay, I'm going to buy it. Whatever was inside. I saw there were a few nice ones. I thought, okay, I'm done. I'm going to buy it. And oh my gosh. Yeah, this is something that really makes me so excited. Such a beautiful artwork. And of course, it's not only the artwork inside. And all the colors on the back are already beautiful. So I'm going to open them. This is day 1. Gorgeous card, and yay! Isn't it super adorable? And I love the way they are using this sheet, so it's always neat to, yeah, it's always, I just love this so much. This is so much fun. Well, I'll pack it later on. Day 2, this gorgeous photo and butterflies. Ah, look. So cute. This is so adorable. I just love the way they decorated. Oh, it's beautiful done. Beautiful design. The colors. Poison, trick or treats, and everything you're reading over here is in the stamp set. So that's so much fun. And for a minute I was thinking, I cannot die cut it, but then I thought, okay, it's going to stretch my creativity. And this one, oh, I just love it. Look at those books, gorgeous. And inside there is something else. Pizza of I want pizza you. So much fun, so cute. Day 5. Gorgeous. Creepy That Real this Halloween. Well, this is my less favorite, but I was talking about it with Miss Rocks and we both thought maybe when you're going to try different colors, it will like it will suit you maybe, or at least for myself, because this is not my cup of tea, but maybe in pink it's adorable. But we're going to give it a try, of course. Day 6. Again, gorgeous. Ah, so adorable. Day 7. Oh, gorgeous. Look, this is just, oh, I love it. Gorgeous. Can't wait. Day 8. And I love, and I think we all love, the colors in this design. I think this is so much fun. Cheers to spooky sips. And there we have sip instead of rip. So yeah, I love it. Then we've got this one, day 9. Oh my gosh. Oh, this is adorable, isn't it? I think it's amazing. Day 10, it's a little bit brighter. And this is something else. I thought, okay, not really sure. But one thing, those beds. Oh, I just love the wings. Oh, this is something I'm going to try on all my flowers. I love this idea. And of course, this hat, you don't have to use it because there is just one. But you'll never know, because almost all the time when I'm trying something I don't like in advance, I am liking it. So you never know. Day 11. Look, I can hear her or he. I can hear it. I like it. Oh, beautiful haunted house. Look, such a good quality. There's also this bed, so yeah, I love it. Day 12, we're almost there. Have a treat-filled night, and this one is so much fun. The kettle, oh, I love it. Yeah, it's going to be a great Halloween. And I'm having a few swaps for my Halloween, so oh, this one I thought it was so hilarious. So much fun. I just love Halloween. It's so much fun. I think that's also something I really feel attracted to Halloween, that there is so much laughing in it. It's so, I just love the fun fact in Halloween. And those are the stamps, and I want to show you them because I love it. You can see they're all inside this card for an example. But yeah, I'm sure you can do whatever you want to do. I am, at least. But yeah, this is so much fun. So yeah, this was my unboxing of this Spellbinders 13 Days of Craftoween. And I love Craftoween. So thank you for watching. Let me know what your thoughts about this book, because I think if you're into Halloween, you will all love it so much. Thank you for watching. See you the next time. Happy day. Bye bye.